We made it, just beat the rain. We got the tent up just in time. Great idea, camping. We haven't done this in a while. I hope the rain stops and we can get outside soon. Wow. When was the last time we used this tent? No, I'm okay. It's just a little bit dusty in here. I don't think we've used this in a long time. And you can tell, oh, I think he's gonna. Whew. No, I'm okay. That was it. Just getting used to the tent and the dust again. Oh man, do you not feel the dust? It's really getting to me. Sorry, it's so close in here, but I can't help it. I'll try and turn away if it happens again. But I don't. I can't help it. Oh, stopped. I held that one back. Watch out. I'm gonna. Again. The rain needs to stop so we can get out of this tent. I don't mean to spray you, but I can't hold him. Hold him back? Watch out. Watch out. Whoa. I can't. Oh. We gotta get out of here. I can't breathe. And I can't keep spraying you.